What's up, y'all? It's the boys from AutoCraze. Today we've just finished this under-ready setup on the Ranger with the beautiful fuel vapors. We've got this brand new orange Ranger.
We're going to be introducing a new grid wheel, the GTO 8 textured brown colour. We're going to be doing some e-boards, some genuine EGR Ford flares, an LED light upgrade, some LED light trims, plus Caliper Paint. We're going to show you that's how you do a Ranger, bro. Introducing to you the Grid GTO 8 in the textured bronze colour. The wheel comes in two different varieties here, so you've got the 20x9 and then the deep compact 20x10. We've opted to go with the Grid GTO 8 in the textured bronze colour to go with the theme from the thing from Fantastic Four.
No, Vic, it's clobbering time.
What do you call that thing?
That's it. The thing.
Hey guys, Junior again from AutoCraze. Our Orange Ranger, the thing is complete. I've got the man Andrew here, owner. How you feeling, brother?
Feeling great, man. Looks awesome. Looks really unbelievable. Just can't believe it. Just blown away. Absolutely blown away by the look. The guys here have done an absolutely unbelievable job. Can't believe it. Just lost for words. Amazing, amazing. But yeah.
This man usually isn't lost for words. He's full of words.
That's true. That's true. That's good. Really, yeah. Look, amazing. The guys here, awesome. If you've got any needs for tuning accessories for your Ranger, for anything, like come down. These guys will sort you out. I'm serious. It looks amazing. Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.